it's Brett from Duluth Pack here to talk to you today about our pistol rugs. So these come in 3 different sizes to fit your pistol. We have a small, a medium, and a large. You can check out the exact dimensions online, along with some recommendations on how to ensure that they will fit your particular pistol perfectly. You can see that on the outside they are very stylish. They will keep your pistol protected, but they will also not wear themselves very easily. They have this awesome leather coating on each end of the pistol rug, so if you set them down, it's not going to get to the canvas and mark up the canvas. It's an extra layer of protection to keep your pistol safe and to be a more durable product. They have this simple zipper which goes all the way around the full length of the pistol rug. Makes it really easy to access the inside of the bag, get the pistol in there and fit exactly how you'd like it to. And they have these D-rings on the ends so that you can clip on your pistol rug to any sort of clip. Makes it really easy to store. You can actually come up with a hanging system for these. They attach to different products of ours so that you can carry it with you when you are traveling. So these are available in 2 different interior linings. Both will keep your pistol nice and safe. They will prevent it from being scratched. They have scratch-proof zippers so that you don't have to worry about the zipper scratching it. But first is this long-time lining of Duluth Pack products. This is our Sherpa Lining. It's very soft, it's very thick, and it's going to keep moisture away from the surface of your gun because it is so thick. It's this awesome, almost furry material. It's great and soft, and it's cushioned so that it's going to prevent your gun from drop damage if you accidentally drop it to a degree. The other new lining that we offer is this padded micro suede. So this will keep the moisture off of your gun. It actually wicks moisture away. It's this awesome, soft suede material. It's not going to scratch your gun at all. And because it is a significantly thinner material than the Sherpa, we added this awesome padding on the back. So it will still be thinner and easier to pack than the Sherpa, but it also will protect your gun. It is padded. It will provide a little bit of drop protection to a degree. As always, our products are proudly made in the USA, and they feature a lifetime guarantee on craftsmanship and hardware. So thanks for tuning in about our pistol rugs, and I can't wait to share something else with you next time.